And today we're going to show you how to change your air filter. First thing you're going to do is remove this piece here. Just pull it on out and pull this piece, leave that little tab right there in, and then pull this piece up. Okay, now once that piece is out, you can pretty much expose the screws that you need to get out. These are Torx screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them that we need to get out. In order to reach that one, we're gonna have to remove this hose right here. So a flathead should be able to get that loose, and then we'll remove this hose from this box. Go ahead and get that off. Set that to the side, and now we should be able to reach that bolt. All right, so I have a T30 Torx bit here. I'm gonna go ahead and get all 6 of these screws up. And now I should be able to pull this cover up off, just like that. And now you can see your old filter. Ooh, that is terrible. So yeah, that is why we need to change intake filters. So of course you're gonna put your new filter in face down like the old one came out once you're ready to reinstall, and then just put everything back together in reverse. And that's pretty much it. That's how you get to your filter, and that's how you change it. Real quick and easy. If you liked the video, you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.